How to fix automatically close Instagram problem on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your phone and you will open settings, and on settings you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will search for Instagram. As you see, this is my Instagram. Then you will scroll down again and go to storage, and you will click here at the bottom of the screen on clear data and click OK, and it will fix your problem. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.